If you use Microsoft Edge and want to quickly check your recent files, this video will show you how to view downloads in Edge in just a few seconds. Whether you downloaded a document, image, video, or installer, Edge keeps everything neatly in one place so you can find it fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. To begin, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three dots menu, also known as the More menu. Click those three dots to open the browser options. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Downloads and click it. This will open the Downloads page in Edge, where you can see a list of your recently downloaded files. From here, you can review what has been downloaded, open a file directly, or go to the file's location on your device. This is the quickest way to view downloads in Edge without needing to search through folders manually. It's especially helpful if you just downloaded something and want to confirm it's saved correctly. And that's it. You now know how to view downloads in Microsoft Edge in a very simple way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy browser tips and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.